Hi, third graders. For your response to reading this week, you've been reading and discussing the story From Buds to Bananas. So for your activity today that you're going to be doing on your own, you're going to use information from the story From Buds to Bananas, and you're going to write a letter persuading someone to buy bananas. You need to have at least 3 reasons that they would buy or should buy bananas. Be sure that you're writing complete sentences and you're correctly using capitalization and punctuation marks. This would be an example of a persuasive letter that you could write. So this one says, "Dear Mom." So maybe you want to persuade your mom or your teacher or your dad or your grandparents, whoever you want to write in that box. So, "Dear Mom, I would like for you to buy me some chocolate. Here are a few reasons why. First, it grows on trees, so it must be healthy. Next, people work really hard to make it and get it to the store. Finally, life is sweeter with chocolate. For these reasons, I would like you to buy me some chocolate. Sincerely, Devin." So your letter should look very similar to this one, only you're persuading someone to buy bananas, not buy chocolate. Make sure that you list your reasons and you're writing complete sentences with correct capitalization and punctuation.